Hi everyone, I'm going to show you really quickly how you can make any field or a group of fields actually on your forms required or not required conditionally. So what you need to do is, let's say in our case, we have the account type field here. It's a pick list field, right? And there are different options here. As you see, there are different values. And one of the values is school, right? So I want to make the account site field required only when the users select school for the account type. That is my requirement, right? Let's say. To do that, what you need to do is you just need to select the account site. On the right side, you see the field properties opened up. And here we have the is required filter setting. Normally, we have the is required field. You can just enable this. You want the field to be required, you know, in any condition. You can just make it required. But if you don't want that, you need conditional logic. Then you can just say, click on is required filter. And you can say, okay, account type is a field on the account object because I'm using two objects on this form. And then the kind of the controller field in this case is going to be the account type we said, right? So we say if the account type equals school, then make the account site required. That's basically, my condition. And it was so easy and quick. I set it up. So I just saved the form. I go to my form, just refresh the page. And as you see, I don't need to do any field mappings, publish anything. Since everything is happening natively in my org, my form is ready, published, ready to share with my customers. So as you see, the account type is right here and account site is not required right now. We see this right next to the required fields, right? But the account type, when I select anything other than school, it's still not required. But if I select the school, then the account site is going to be required as well. If it's something else, it's not. If it's school, it's going to be required. So again, this is just one example, but you can make the field required based on different values on different fields. You can add as many conditions as you want and set custom logic using ors and ends. It's really easy and quick. So you can make your fields required conditionally on your forms using is required filter setting on your form builder, BreezyBit form builder. So this is it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.